But yeah, I have some seeds. So I ordered, this is from EcoSeed Bank, which is in Montreal, Quebec. So it is a Canadian seed company, and I think shipping was like $5. So for Canadian shipping, that is super cheap. So I was thrilled with that. So let me get them out of here. And oh, they're very cute little seed packets. What I liked about it is they had like, you could choose the amount you wanted of seeds. So they had like a smaller amount, and then for not a whole lot more, you could get like a large amount of seeds, because I'm finding when I'm looking at like seed companies, in order to try and keep their prices low, there's like hardly any seeds that are coming in some of these packets. So I understand for like the specialty seeds, but some of the others, it just seems like they're getting kind of stingy. So most of these seed packets were $3.29. I think everything was $3.29 except for the Alyssum were $3.79. Oh, it looks like the Snapdragon ones were out of stock. It crossed out. It says out of stock extras. So I wonder if they just gave me the larger pack. We shall see. So these are really cute seed packets. So this is here is the so you can see the, oh, can you see it? So here's a little seed packet, and it's one of those where it's like a resealable pouch. You can see that they're very thin. This one here is called Deep Carmine Gypsophila. I can go onto their website and show you the ones that I got. Oh, Mimosa sensitive plant. Very excited about that. So this has 50 seeds. This has 500 seeds. 500 seeds. And so many seed packets you see nowadays, it'll have like 25. Some are really small. This one is an heirloom open pollinated. I think they're all open pollinated, so that's good. I can save my own seeds. But this is the Mimosa sensitive plant. So that's the one that kind of curls up when you touch it. Super cool. Hey, Rick, good morning. How are you? How is the microphone sounding? It's a new little one that's supposed to hook onto my tripod thingy. So hopefully I didn't make just a horrible amount of noise moving that. Next up, I have my Carpet of Snow Alyssum, and this has 500 seeds. 500 seeds. So some of these will last me a very long time. This one is called Basket of Gold Alyssum. I have never seen this variety before, so I wanted to try it. This one only has 100 seeds. And then, ooh, Swiss Giants mix. Some of my favorites to grow in the springtime. Pansies. So this one has 50 seeds. Oh my goodness. So this is called Showy Evening Primrose. And this one has 1,000 seeds. That's a lot of primrose. I'm doing good. I am doing good. I'm going to go through the seeds and then we'll chat a bit, and I'll probably do the seeds again, you know, if other people come in and want to see what I got. Oh, I'm really excited about this one. It's called Seashells Cosmos. Do you see the little shape on those? They were really cool looking. So I was like, oh, well, I can always use more Cosmos. And then, okay, apparently I went down the Alyssum rabbit hole, because here we have some Alyssum. These are Dwarf Pink. 250 seeds. That's super cute. And then Northern Lights Snapdragon. So are these the ones that were? Okay, so I'm looking at my list. No, so they were out of the medium. The maximum mix Snapdragon seeds were out. So they sent me the 5,000. And so I ordered the 1,000, but they sent me the 5,000 instead. So these are called Northern Lights Snapdragons. But they're called spurred Snapdragons. So I don't know. It's kind of different. And then 1,000 seeds of Black-Eyed Rebecca. Thank you. Black-Eyed Susans. I did not order these. So they must have been in a freebie, because I don't think I ordered some poppies like these, 2,500 seeds, because I have poppies already. Bells of Ireland, 250. 250 seeds of Bells of Ireland. Normally, they're really chintzy on that. And then I know I did not order this either, so they gave me a few freebies. That's really nice. These are Chinese forget-me-nots, 100 seeds there. And this, ooh, red ribbon basil, 100 seeds there. So, yeah, they gave me 3 extra seeds, and the bumped me up from 1,000 to the 5,000 of the Snapdragons because they were out. That is pretty awesome. And shipping was $4.99. My bad, $4.99 Canadian, which is an amazing deal. So this cost me $36 Canadian. So it's like 20 US. I don't know. something like that. So yeah, that's exciting.